Okay, today I wanted to show you about making a green screen for video conferencing, such as on Zoom or maybe Teams. Um, I use this was about maybe $30 in all. I purchased a green screen fabric from Amazon. I'll put the link below. I also purchased PVC piping, 3/4 inch PVC pipe from the big box store, such as Lowe's or Home Depot. And I purchased one elbow, two elbows. I purchased T-fittings, 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, and I purchased the pipe. I think it was about 3 lengths in all, and I just dry fit them. So the length from here to here is about 5.5 feet. From here to here is also 5.5 feet. So that's 10 feet, and here is another 10 feet. So that's 2 pieces of PVC, which are 10 feet long, and it's probably a little bit more than that. And then I also purchased another piece here and a piece there. So this is a section here, this is a section here, this is a section, and this. So the green screen really wraps around from here to here and across and here. And I have clamps. I had these old ones, and I have these plastic ones which you could get at Walmart and maybe Home Depot and so on. All right, so you basically just take the green screen and wrap it around here, the periphery, and then you just clamp it on. So you put 2 at the bottom, so 1 at the top here, 1 over here, and on the other side, and just put it behind your chair. You need to put it pretty close to your chair so the green screen covers your background, and then you could adjust your background with whatever you want. I think there's a website called Hello Backgrounds. I'll put a link for that one too, where you could get some free backgrounds, maybe 3 or 4 of them, and you could try that. So let me assemble this and you'll see what it looks like. Okay, so this is what it looks like fully assembled. All right, you may want, if you're doing this, you may want to draw some lines where the PVC fits in, so that way you know how far in to push it. All right, so now I'm going to put the green screen on. Okay, there you have it. All right, even though you'll see there's some lines and so on it, this doesn't affect the green screen effect. As long as the background is green, you could superimpose a picture onto it. All right, very simple to set up. Let me show you what it looks like totally disassembled. Okay, that's it, fully disassembled. Probably took about 2 to 3 minutes to disassemble and would be about the same to reassemble. So now I could take all of these, prop it up in a corner in a cupboard, and put this in a small basket. So when I'm ready to have set up my green screen again, it just takes a few minutes to take it out and set it up. So hope this helps somebody. If you like what you see, like, share, and subscribe so other people could also see it using the Google algorithm. And this may help other people too. Thanks.